Hello and welcome to Math Easy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve for x in three different ways. But before we solve for x, there's a crucial first step we need to take. When solving equations involving complex fractions like this, first simplify the expressions within the fractions. So let's simplify these denominators first. So we have here 2x minus 1 all over 2. We find the LCM. Remember, this is all over 1. We find the LCM, and this is 2. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2x, we have 4x. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this denominator here is now taking the form of 4x minus 1 all over 2. Let's do same here. We have 1. 1 over 4x is same as 1 times x all over 4, which is x over 4. So this is now x all over 4 plus 1. If we find the LCM, we have 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is x plus 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So this here is now x plus 4 all over 4. Now we're going to have here 3 all over 4x minus 1 all over 2 is equal to 1 all over 3 divided by x plus 4 all over 4. Okay, now let's look at these fractions separately. This is same as 3 divided by 4x minus 1 all over 2, right? And to simplify, we're going to change this to multiplication and then reverse this fraction. So 2 becomes our numerator and 4x minus 1 becomes the denominator. So this equal to this 1 all over 3. If we repeat same process, we'll be multiplying this here 4 all over x plus 4, right? So we have here 3 times 2 will give us 6 all over 4x minus 1, right? Is equal to 1 times 4 is 4 all over 3 multiplying x plus 4. So we have 3 bracket x plus 4. Okay, so to simplify with ease, let's expand this bracket so that everything is okay. We are going to have 6 all over 4x minus 1 is equal to 4 bracket 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, now we have single fractions at both sides of the equation. So the first method we are going to use to solve for x is the cross multiplication method. So if we cross multiply, we have 6 multiplying 3x plus 12 is equal to 4 multiplying 4x minus 1. So we have 6 times 3x, this is 18x plus 72 is equal to 16x minus 4, right? So we're going to group the like terms. So let the terms to the x variable move to the left-hand side. We have 18x minus 16x is equal to minus 4 minus 72. 18x minus 16x will give us 2x is equal to minus 76. To find x, we divide both sides by 2. These 2 we go into 2, we have x left is equal to 2, we go into minus 76 minus 38. So the value of x is minus 38. Let's take a look at our second method. All right, recall that when we simplify this fraction before we began to solve for x in the first method, we arrived at 6 all over 4x minus 1 is equal to 4 all over 3x plus 12, right? So now, before we cross multiply, we are going to do something here. So since we have just single fractions at both sides of this equation, we can find the reciprocal of each of these fractions. So this is applicable when you have single fractions at both sides and neither of the denominator is equal to 0. So now, if we find the reciprocal of this fraction, it simply means flipping these fractions so that we have 4x minus 1 as the numerator and 6 as the denominator. If we flip the fraction here or find the reciprocal, we have 3x plus 12 all over 4. Okay, we can then cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have 4 multiplying 4x minus 1 is equal to 6 multiplying 3x plus 12. So we have 16x minus 4 is equal to 18x plus 72. Let's group like terms. We have 16x minus 18x is equal to 72 plus 4, right? 16x minus 18x is minus 2x is equal to 76. We divide both sides of this equation. Minus 2x divided by minus 2 is equal to 76 divided by minus 2. Minus 2, we strike out this minus 2, we have x. This we go into 76, 38 times. So the value of x is equal to minus 38. And this is our answer in the second method. Let's take a look at the third method. We're still going to use what we arrived at when we simplify this fraction. So we have 6 all over 4x minus 1 is equal to 4 all over 3x plus 12, right? This third method I'm going to use involves finding the LCM between the denominators. So this method is robust and can be applied in solving any rational equation you have. Okay, so recall that the LCM between 4x minus 1 and 3x plus 12 is 4x minus 1 and 3x plus 12. So we're going to multiply each of these terms by the common denominator. So we have here 4x minus 1 bracket 3x plus 12 multiplying 6 all over 4x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 1 bracket 3x plus 12 multiplying 4 all over 3x plus 12. I hope you understand what I've done here. So this 4x minus 1, we cancel out this 4x minus 1. So we have what's left as 3x plus 12 multiplying 6, right? Is equal to this 3x plus 12. We cancel out this 3x plus 12. So we have 4 multiplying 4x minus 1, right? Let's expand. 6 times 3x will give us 18x. 6 times 12 will give us 72 is equal to 4 times 4x will give us 16x. 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4, right? At this point, we are going to group like terms together. So 18x minus 16x is equal to minus 4 minus 72. So we have 18x minus 16x, we have 2x is equal to minus 76. So to find x, we divide both sides by 2. So we have minus 76 divided by 2. These two we cancel out, we have x, 2 we go into minus 76, minus 38. So we have minus 38 as the answer. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and please support me by subscribing to my channel. Bye.